Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Nike MX90. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX90 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the speed red, white, wolf grey, black colourway, and the style is IF 0670-600. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the packing or wrapping paper to reveal the Nike MX90 in the speed red, white, wolf grey, black colourway. And let's take the pair out from the box and set them on the tabletop so you have that full and clear look. And just set the box to the side on the left, and of course setting the shoes on the tabletop right there for that full and clear initial look, and just setting the right shoe in the background as we focus in on the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the left shoe of this Nike MX90 in the speed red, white, wolf grey, black colourway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear initial look of the left shoe. And now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the overall two-tone colour of the shoe with a bold red or speed red making up majority of its upper, as well as the black from the Nike swoosh down all the way down to the black rubber waffle sole. Now with a close-up look we can see the leather upper in red with the various textures or panels and overlays of that leather upper and the various leather types. So we can see suede making up the sandwich layer between the leather toe box as well as the black leather mudguard. So we're giving you a much closer in look at that short nap suede right there, and of course that finely grained leather making up the toe box as well as the eye stay details. So giving you a much closer in look at that black mudguard with a somewhat lightly distressed or tumbled leather texture. And as we move towards the midfoot area, once again we see the red details with the red suede making up the upper portion, and of course not forgetting the red TPU parts or elements making up portions or sections of the eye stay. And giving you a much closer in look at that Nike swoosh, that fine leather graining. And as we move towards the back part of the shoe, we can see the white Nike Air Max in the mudguard cutout. And just beneath the MX text is a carbon fiber effect panel in that window right there. And of course not forgetting the kind of midsole wedge with the Nike Air Max cushioning unit in the sole. We can see the red midsole structure forming around that Nike Air Max unit. And as we take a look towards the back part of the shoe, once again we see that contrasting detail with black, white and red accents right there. So white Nike Air branding on that rubber back tab, and of course leather details throughout with that speed speed red leather, as well as the black heel counter, and of course wrapping towards the inner side of the shoe. Once again, we see the white Amex details or lettering in that mudguard window and that carbon fiber effect panel in there, and of course that Nike Max Air unit. And of course back towards the front with those speed red details making up the upper portion of the shoe. Now taking a look from the tip or front or toe of the shoe and slowly making our way towards the length and back of the shoe. You can see with the red tongue, the white Nike Air Max branding on it, and that tongue patch label. And in terms of the puffiness of the tongue, so it is lightly bolstered with a medium to high level of thickness to it, and with the ankle and heel collar padding or bolstering, it is thin to somewhat medium level of thickness, and in terms of firmness, it is on the soft side, and it is even right throughout the ankle and heel sections. And giving you a look at the laces and the aglets or tips of the laces, we can see they do have that AM90 branding on them. So fine little details on the red laces or speed red laces with the white AM90 lettering on them, with the swoosh as well, just removing the paper stuffing from it. And of course we can see with the composition sticker or materials label, we can see that the upper is made of leather, and giving you a look around the inside details, and of course the back of the tongue as well. So giving you a look at that tongue label at the back, so just right there, and the lining as well in black, contrasting against the red lining around the ankle and heel collar of the shoe. And we can see on the sock liner in black is the white, red and black details of the Amex 90 branding. So it's just giving you an overall look at the details of the inside of this Nike Amex 90 in the speed red, white, wolf grey, black colorway. And now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So black rubber waffle sole, with the Nike branding just forward of the midfoot arch. And to give you some sense of the rubber waffle sole, just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping with my fingernail as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. And now just puffing and stretching the shoe back in shape. Now let's take a look at the right shoe of this Nike Air Max 90. So setting the left shoe down and in the background as we focus in on the right shoe. And of course let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that full and clear look of this right shoe of the Nike MX-90. Now once again, high contrast details with the speed red on black and with the black Nike swoosh and the various leather panels with the smooth leather for the toe box and the eye stay, and of course the short nap suede for the sandwich panel between the toe box and black leather mudguard. You can see the various levels of textures with a very finely grained Nike swoosh and of course slightly more tumbled leather of the mudguard extending towards the heel counter, and of course we see once again the carbon fiber effect panel with the white Air Max lettering or branding on it, and of course the red or speed red midsole structure around the Nike Max Air unit cushioning. And at the back once again we see the white Nike Air on that black rubber back tab, and towards the outer side of the shoe once again same details right throughout, and I'm just letting the light play against the various panels or leather surfaces of the upper. And of course with the tongue it is puffy and of course red with white contrast branding details and model details. And of course taking a look at the laces, we can see that it does come with a spare pair of black laces, and with the aglets on the black pair they do have red lettering with the AM90 and Nike swoosh contrasting against the black. So we're seeing with the red it does have the white details instead on the lace tips or aglets. Now taking a look around the inside detail, so once again giving you a look with this side behind the tongue, and of course let's pop out the paper stuffing on this side as well and give you a look around the inside details. So once again the AM90 details on the sock liner, and we can see the black as well as red lining on the inside of the shoe. And with the bottom once again the black rubber waffle sole, and now let's take a look at the pair together side by side, starting from the front. Towards the back, and of course the side-by-side shot as well. And we've seen the front to the back. Now let's take a look directly from the back. Top down. The bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's the Nike MX-90. Thanks for watching and happy walking.